Smart shoppers, there is a food festival coming to town, and you're going to be able to try some food for a fantastic price because it's a Smart Shopper Deal of the Day. It's the Glendale Street Food Festival, and it's all about voting for the best food entrepreneur. So there'll be many food trucks out there like this and a lot of street food entrepreneurs. So the event itself is absolutely free to anyone, plus parking. But what costs you money is sampling the food, and you have to purchase tickets. But guess what, Smart Shoppers? We've arranged for you to sample those for a fantastic price. Now, their tickets to sample come in packages, and they're doing a wonderful deal on the family bundle. That's where you get 40 different samples, plus you can try drinks and a lot of other stuff. Normally that will cost you $88. But Smart Shoppers, if you go online now until Friday, you'll be able to purchase that at half off, so you'll pay just $44. Plus, they're throwing in another deal. It's their Express Pass, which normally costs you $25. But again, you can get that Express Pass, which means you don't have to wait in line. You'll get it for just $12.50. I'll have all the details along with the link to where you can purchase those tickets posted on our website. Just head to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe. Yours